Hi everybody, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets, and today I am going to review the HiFiMan Sundara 2020 headphones. These have had a few tweaks over the original Sundara, so do they make any difference? I shall let you know. They've also had a price reduction, so these were originally about £500 when they first came out. You can now get these for £299. Like everything, I'll have links in the description box below. Just some very quick specifications on these. Frequency response is 6 Hz to 75 kHz. They weigh about 372 grams, which is about average for headphones of this size. Sensitivity 94 dB, and I'll talk about that in the sound quality, and they are 37 ohms. So here we have the Sundaras, and I'll go close up so you can see them. These are Planar Magnetic headphones, and one of the revisions they've done is they've changed the ear pads so they're slightly softer and they seem to curve better on the head. So you've got tilt, but you haven't got much swivel, or no swivel at all, and have the classic headband, and you can see the cable here, it's quite a decent length, and it comes terminated in 3.5, and they have an adapter in the box. I mentioned these were 94 dB. You definitely need an amp, and you'll probably use either mid or high gain to power these properly. Let's put them on my head so I can show you how that looks. These are actually really comfortable to wear. The circular cups fit really well, as you can see, very nice. Obviously when you have this headband thing, it does flatten your hair, so wouldn't worry about that. You're not going to you're going to have your hair's going to go out of place if you worry about stuff like that. I don't give a crap. These are really nice and comfortable, and I can wear these for hours and hours on end. Now, if I take them off, in terms of the rest of the construction, as you can probably notice, it's pretty much metal all the way through with some leather on top. But very nicely constructed build-wise. So, talking about the sound quality, what surprised me about these is the slam and punch in terms of the bass. And I noticed it's going down to about 30 Hz maximum, but they have, the mid bass is particularly good. It's fast, it's energetic, and you've got the bass is very defined. Soundstage is reasonable as well. I would say, compared to my Sennheiser HD660s, these do sound better. In terms of tonality, these have excellent tone to them. They're not too bright, they're slightly forward, but not too forward. And again, this is very natural sort of tone to them. If you're looking at the highs and the mid, so if I look at the mids again, very neutral, very natural sounding, lots of presence and detail. When I mentioned about the soundstage, it's wide, but it's not ultra wide. But again, because these are open back, and it does obviously let sound out as well, it does help overall with the soundstage. The treble on these, it's a bright, it's energetic, extremely detailed, a lot of information retrieval. But the big but here is it doesn't fatigue you on that treble. Sometimes you can have treble spikes in some headphones. These don't have that treble retrieval issue. If you're listening to classical, jazz, very analytical, lots of instrument separation being picked out, and I do really love that. I mean, these are excellent. I can't, in terms of the lower price, I'm going to double check to make sure, but these are still being sold at $299 now. I'll leave some links below if you're interested. But at $299, that's just an amazing price for a Planar Magnetic headphone that has decent slam and punch. It's energetic, good treble, lots of detail, lots of retrieval, reasonable soundstage as well. It's better soundstage in the centre part of the soundstage is really good, where you can pick out the different layers. I do think these suit jazz, classical, female vocals, male vocals better. Not bad for rock, but their strengths do lie going into the classical elements. And I would say you've definitely got to use an amp. I mean, you could use something like the Theo K9 Pro, simple desktop amp, will drive these no problem at all. Any questions, I'll answer them. Leave comments down below. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Catch you guys soon. Bye for now.